By popular request, we are going to make, so long, we're going to cook ground beef on the stove. If you've been following, you know I usually do it in my microwave. Alright, to the stove. Okay, I'm going to cut up some lettuce. So we'll do a side salad, and if anybody wants to put their salad in their taco, they can. Tomatoes. I'm gonna wash this one. This never streams it as good as it does when I cook it in the microwave. Alright, adding 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Oh wait, this is 2 pounds of ground beef. I need 6 tablespoons. That's why this didn't look like very much. A cup of water. The room is all cleaned up. That a girl. I'm going to have to come look at that. Alright, we're just going to let that simmer and fix some plates. I think I'm going to try, my youngest is almost 2. I think I'm going to try with a taco shell today. I'll just keep a close eye on her. I like to wait till 2 to do taco shells. I have 8 kids here. I'm going to do 8 taco shells. Alright, I'm just going to go stick these in the air fryer for a couple minutes. I need a grain, so I'm doing a quick peanut butter sandwich. Actually, you know what? Let's do butter bread. I'm going to do some butter bread. Just a half a slice for everybody. That's crazy. Buckaroos! One basket's all cleaned up. Good job. I did way too many pieces. I only needed to do 4. I guess everybody's getting a whole piece of butter bread. I wasn't thinking. I'm out of room. I'm going to go like this. This one needs to be moved over. Can you guys raise your hand if you want sour cream in your taco? I have some kids going, no. Alright, cream. You already have a chair. Let's play. The kids cleaned up fast, so they're all at the table waiting. Why don't we go around the table and say what our favorite animal is? Darren, do you want to start? What my favorite animal is? A koala bear. Do you guys... Fruit today is kiwi and strawberries. I might have to add a couple grapes to everybody's too.
No, baby.
Oh wait, some of these kids wanted sour cream. My sour cream kids. Alright, look at the sun shining in. But here's lunch today. I will come around with ranch for their salad if they want. Alright, here's how the kiddos did today. Generally speaking, all of my kids do really well on taco day.